Hi, my name is Matthias Caceres, President of the Haitian Soccer Association. Also, the founder of Angels of Soccer for Haiti that has been working with Haiti since 2009. As for me, I was born in Johannesburg, South Africa in 1984, son of the great soccer player from Argentina, the Black Castors, who went to South Africa during the apartheid back in the 80s when Nelson Mandela was incarcerated. My father, unfortunately, was thrown out of South Africa due to the white governing government out there. And unfortunately, he had to leave South Africa. Back in the 80s, we all know that South Africa went through a very horrific time. And my father was an asset to soccer out there. Back in the 80s, South Africa only dreamt of hosting a World Cup like they did back in 2010. My father was the coach of the Kaizer Chiefs, who are now a powerhouse in South Africa. He coached many players, for instance, one of them being Shabalala, who plays for the national South African team. My father also had very good connections and strong connections with the Argentine Soccer Federation. Unfortunately, my father passed away on November 17th, 1999. And what I do is basically dedicated to him and to the Haitian community. I've been working with Haiti since 2009, giving my time, my money, my love, my thoughts, and my ideas to Haiti. Basically, what attracts me to Haiti is how much Haitians have embraced me. Um, Even way before 2009, many Haitians, they just embraced me. And it as a sign of appreciation, I decided to go visit Haiti, and I saw the issues that Haiti had amongst themselves, whether it be sports or government, poverty, children that are abandoned. Now, speaking about abandonment, I myself was an abandoned child, so I know what it is to be abandoned. I know what it feels like for a child not to be loved. I know what it feels like for a kid living in the streets. My dream as a child, when I was really young, was to play professional soccer. Unfortunately, my childhood didn't permit me to live such a lavish style of life, and I was very poor. And there were times when I would cry and think, what can I do to get myself out of this? I wasn't the best in school. My grades weren't the best. And I was really rebellious because I didn't have what I wanted. But what really did I want? I wanted love. I wanted my father to come and embrace me and recognize me after I knew, and I know till today, even though he's gone, that he abandoned me. So I know what these kids in Haiti go through. And the passion of soccer in Haiti is strong. So there's some way and somehow I can relate to them. I may not speak Creole, but with the language of soccer, which is a universal language, I can definitely communicate with them. My first stop in Haiti was in Port-au-Prince when the plane landed. When I landed, I decided to go straight to Cité Soleil. When I first landed, they asked me, Mr. Castros, where would you like to go? And I said, I want to go to where the people are at. Well, where would that be? Do you know? Do you have an idea? I said, I want to go to Cité Soleil. And they said to me, you sure? I said, absolutely. I got to Cité Soleil, and I brought a lot of soccer products. Soccer balls, uniforms, shoes, socks, nets for the goals, including food for the kids. Visited over 99 orphans, to be exact, if not well over 100. But it didn't stop there. Angels of Soccer for Haiti has now become the Haitian Soccer Association. Now, Haiti last qualified for a World Cup back in 1974. We want to relive that World Cup experience that Haiti qualified for. How do we do that? The Haitian Soccer Association is dedicated to scouting and recruiting Haitian soccer talent, elite talent. Now, how do we do this? Through tournaments, through going out and seeing games, high school games, not just here in Florida, but in Haiti as well. We represent these Haitian elite athletes. But best of all, we want these Haitian athletes to go to school. Because I don't want them, as a president, I don't want them to turn out like me, a former professional soccer player who does not have a college degree. Lucky for me, I am the president of the Haitian Soccer Association. My vision is big for these players. My dedication for these players, my loyalty for these players, my commitment to these players is 100%. But how do I assist? How do we assist? How does the Haitian Soccer Association Committee assist these players? Through management, through mentoring, legal advice, legal representation. Now, throughout these tournaments, who do we attract? We attract universities. We attract colleges. Why? Because we desire these kids and these elite athletes, Haitian descent or Haitian born, to go to school, to go to college. Now, you're thinking, why not just go pro? Because how good would it be? And think about this when I say this. How good would it be that a Haitian descent or a Haitian native born in Haiti gets a scholarship that we find for him to go to college and to go to a university for 4 years? His talent is only going to get better throughout his competitive 4-year experience in college. And after he graduates from college, we get him to the professional teams, whether it's here in the United States, whether it's NASL, USL, MLS, or in the Haitian Professional League. But you can guarantee one thing. That Haitian player now will have a degree. And when his soccer career comes to an end, because all soccer careers will come to an end, he will still be successful. We want doctors. We want professors. We want teachers. We want presidents. We want governors. We want mayors. We just don't want soccer players. But how nice would it be that the Haitian Soccer Association really looks out for their players and for their best interest? And that's what we're about. That's my vision. And that's how we're going to help Haiti. And that's how we are going to go to a World Cup. Not just by just having random athletes on a green field, but by having elite, educated, good decision-making athletes on the Haitian national team. Now, how do we do this? We're hosting tournaments all over South Florida. Right now, we're about to host the Haitian Platinum Cup, located here in local South Florida. What is this going to attract? Again, colleges, universities, Haitian talent, elite Haitian talent. And by doing this, we can go ahead and find them a school, a college, a university to go to that will give them a scholarship due to their great talent. And they can only get better at their talent throughout that 4-year experience playing collegiate ball. Then thereafter, we will still manage them, mentor them, and find them their best deal when it comes to professional soccer. Now, ask yourself, what will that Haitian do after his career is done in soccer? He will then have a title. Now, will that Haitian go back to Haiti and give back? Absolutely. Absolutely, he will. Now, with our committee, who is Terry Louis, the vice president, co-founder of Pure Force Group, Sam, networking and public relations, and Herman Colas, all three of them Haitian descent, native to Haiti. What can I say? I wasn't born in Haiti, but my heart and my soul belongs to Haiti. I desire, as the president of the Haitian Soccer Association, to see Haiti once again on a FIFA World Cup playing field. And like I said, if South Africa went through the apartheid 20 some years ago, what makes you think that Haiti cannot qualify to a World Cup like they did back in 1974? Now, you may think and you may say, World Cup, South Africa, 2010, they automatically qualified because they hosted the World Cup in South Africa. I understand. The hosting country, their team automatically qualifies to a World Cup. That's understandable. But 26 years ago, 28 years ago, 29 years ago, South Africa only dreamt of hosting a soccer tournament in a civil war torn country, if you may. So everything is reachable if we just put our minds to it. And there's Haitian talent everywhere, all over the world. In Europe, in the US, in Haiti, Russia, everywhere. Now, what is the problem? Here's a problem. A lot of these Haitian athletes, they want to escape something. They want to escape their troubles. And I understand that. As a child, I wanted to escape my troubles as well. And I dedicated myself to soccer. And it did help me escape my troubles. But nobody was there to say, Matthias, go to college, go to the university, go get an education. I wanted to go pro immediately because I wanted to escape poverty. Now, a lot of these players, they go to these countries and they adapt to society in these countries. Beautiful paved streets, city lights, restaurants everywhere. A lot of them might even find their other half in that country, their wife. They might even establish a family there. But the Haitian Soccer Association does more than just find talent, Haitian 100%, and put them in school. The Haitian Soccer Association makes sure that for us to represent them, they must commit to the national Haitian soccer team. Meaning that if tomorrow we find them a university scholarship and they go 4 years or 3 years or 2 years and then thereafter they go professional in a different country, whether it be in Europe, the continent of Europe, or in North America, or in South America, they must commit to Haiti. They cannot commit to that country that they're playing in, even if they are asked to or called upon by that country. So that is our commitment to the great nation of Haiti, that we reinforce the Haitian Soccer Federation with our program, with our system of providing them not only educated players, but elite educated players, and showcase to them so they can choose and select their national team out of our showcase of players. So with that being said, I want to thank you for your time, and I want to ask you to please visit our website, www.haitiansoccer.association.com. And you can also find us on Facebook. Just look us up by our name, Haitian Soccer Association. Also, if you don't call soccer football or you don't call football soccer, you can find us at www.haitianfootball.com. HaitianFootballAssociation.com. So whichever one works for you, HaitianSoccerAssociation.com or HaitianFootballAssociation.com. I want to thank you one more time, and please make sure that you visit our website, which is located right here, and I'll show it to you so you can actually have a good glimpse of what it looks like. So make sure you're on the right page, and you will see that that is our website, HaitianSoccerAssociation.com or www.HaitianFootballAssociation.com. Thank you once again, and I want to thank you very much for your time and your commitment to Haiti. And I want you to know one thing. This association does not belong to me. This association does not belong to the committee. This association belongs to the Haitian community, to the people, to those who really desire to see Haiti make it and qualify to a FIFA World Cup. Thank you so much, and thank you for your support. Take care.